Assalamualaikum and a very fine morning. I bid to our lovely lecturer, Madam Noni, and to my members. So today, we will presenting our innovation on transportation system, which we call it as Innovative Technological Highway System, ITHS. Before we start, I'm going to introduce myself and my members. My name is Putri Nushairan binti Muhammad Haris Fazila.
My name is Aisyah binti Abu Bakar.
My name is Tia Nurili binti Azizan.
My name is Engku Namaisara binti Kuazaha.
My name is Muhammad Amir Hakim bin Rahimi.
And my name is Andi Shafiqah binti Muhammad Yusof.
That I'm going to share the slideshow that we have made for the innovation. Innovative Technological Highway System, ITHS. So, this innovation that we created is important for the future of mobility in Malaysia. Basically, this innovation focuses on the improvement for the highway system. We had made an improvement and innovation in the highway system. There are 6 parts of the highway system that we focus for the innovation, which is electric lane, sensor detection for speed limit, road accident and road damages, automatic rooftop for motorcycle, and lastly, separation lane for heavy and light vehicles.
Electric car lane is a route where the drivers can charge their car while on their way to their destination. This lane uses electric power from electrical substation. Electrical substation is a part of an electrical generation, transmission, and distribution system. This lane uses inductive transmission to transfer the power from the lane to the car. The benefit of the electric car lane is electric car can travel for a long journey as the car is automatically charged when they are on this lane. Furthermore, Malaysia is getting more and more advanced. There will be more electric car produced in the future and the number of electric car users will increase. This can reduce air pollution as it doesn't emit carbon dioxide like our car that uses petrol because it only uses electricity. This can clear the air pollution and people can breathe in fresh air. This can give a big impact to the society.
Another function of innovative technological highway system is road sensor. Road sensor is a sensor that has been planted inside the road layer. This sensor will be on the middle of the wearing course layer and the binder course layer. There are 3 main purposes for the creation of this sensor. The first purpose is speed limit trap. If the vehicle is driving fast, the road sensor will create a warning sound on the vehicle. At the first phase, it will sound slower, and if the vehicle is still speeding, and the warning sound will be louder and louder. This speed sensor will produce a beep sound as a warning sensor. This sensor operates by detecting vibration, impact, apply, and friction to the road surface. The advantage of speed limit trap are that they can reduce vehicle speed, reduce accident rate, and increase road user awareness that speeding is dangerous.
Next is emergency detector. Emergency detector is highway studded with sensor that monitor wear and tear and feel vehicles like finger on a touchpad, and that are connected to the internet, which automatically summon help when accident occurs. It can detect when and where an accident happened and automatically send an alert to the emergency service to come help the victim. This emergency detector covered with factory-made concrete, featuring with Wi-Fi connectivity and embedded fiber optic cables that act as a pressure sensor. Although the price is a bit too expensive, it is very useful, especially to reduce the number of accidents cases in Malaysia. It can help emergency helpline like police, fire and rescue department or ambulance to detect accident faster without waiting for a call from the public, as a person's life is so precious and can be saved as quickly as possible.
Malaysia, having many road damage too, suffers from aging roads which can lead to damaged tires, suspension and more. Especially motorists, the possible to have an accident is very high. These sensors will be laid under road surface to monitor road conditions, brakes, and also the formation of potholes. At first level, the sensors can detect moisture and pressure, which can indicate that problems are beginning to. If that is possible, a damage will occur. The sensor will work and all information gathered can be sent every 10 minutes, 60 minutes up to 4 meters away. This sensor road will bring a very good benefit to detect road faults before they happen and ultimately help motorists avoid traffic accidents due to damaged roads.
Next, the innovation that we have made for the highway system is the automatic rooftop for motorcycle. This system will help motorcyclists to bike their motorcycle during raining season. The motorcyclist does not have to wait under the bridge for the rain to be stopped. Thus, it will reduce the time wastage that they had wait for the rain to stop. Next, it also helps to reduce accidents due to the slippery roads. And lastly, the improvement of the motorcycle lane helps the society by preventing from skin radiation, which could lead to skin cancer. This is because the motorcyclists are exposed to the sun, which will lead to skin cancer. So, how is the system will be working? The rooftop will be made from translucent polycarbonate roofing. This material allows to reduce UV radiation and have amazing thermal qualities, reducing the sun's heat by as much as 69% in the summer. The rooftop will be installed with a sensor that can sense the weather for it to be open and closed. It will automatically open when it is raining and sunny and will close back when the weather is bearable for the motorcyclist to bike on the highway.
Next is separation lane for heavy and light vehicles. Separate roads for public and private transport are divided by two levels of bridge but is still going on the same destination. This bridge is very strong because they use materials such as steel and concrete. On the first level of this bridge is for lorries and bus, and the upper level of second level is for car and motorcycle. The benefit of this bridge is to reduce the risk of accidents among cars, motorcycle, and between lorries and bus. Other than that, using this road, we can also reduce traffic congestion. This road also can make it easier for ambulance to get to the hospital quickly.
In conclusion, this innovation is an important change for the sector paves the way for a brand new look at roads, a new perspective on decadent practice, and new ways to tackle old problems. That is what will make the next 10 years in the highway industry so exciting. It will bring new, exciting technology that the world has never seen before, and there are thousands of new innovations in their seedling stages of development. That's all from my group. Thank you very much for watching, and Assalamualaikum.